So I would say like what we're doing in the Houston area, the team, the maids, we are very detail oriented. We go and do beyond our work is beyond the customer wants, and I think that's going to be the differentiator for You Got Maids versus Moylam Raul, More Hand, or the other competition. Our price includes so many stuff that the competition put an ad.
Additional fees for X
Yes.
service.
Yes. So and then we are friendly, respectful, and that's all we want to ask to the customer to be treated
Yep.
the same way with respect and dignity.
Yes, I think she did a fantastic job in hiring the two that we have, and they've done so well that I mean, really, I haven't heard a single no. I mean, it's been all fantastic.
Good job.
They want them back. People that wanted
Yeah.
one times now are saying, well, maybe we can get them in every 2 weeks. So they definitely have impressed on the customers that they care. They've just done outstanding work.
And I think that's going to be going forward, hiring the same type of.
If we can clone them, it'd be awesome.
Yeah, finding the same,
Yeah.
and that's going to be the differentiator from the competition.
Awesome.